How to set up and manage WhatsApp channels effectively. Well, to set up and manage WhatsApp channels effectively, you want to create a channel via the Updates tab. So you can open up WhatsApp, and here you should be able to find the Updates tab. You can proceed to create a channel here. So I can tap on three dots at the top left, and I can tap on Create Channel. I can agree and continue, and I can set the channel name here. Right, then I can tap on Create Channel and the channel will be created, and now I can proceed to invite followers here. Invitation to follow the channel, and your channel will be created this way. Right now, this way you can set up your WhatsApp channel. Now, how you can manage it, you can tap on your profile there at the top. You can proceed to tap on edit here at the top right, and you can add the photo for your channel. You can also add in describe your channel, include information, that is add in details here. This is how you can create. Now, to manage for effectiveness, you can post relevant updates such as behind the updates and such for your whatever your channel is related to. You can maintain a regular sustainable posting schedule to keep followers engaged without overloading them. You can monitor channel insights to understand which content resonates, such as views and reaction counts, to refine your approach. Also, make sure to abide by WhatsApp's content guidelines to avoid suspension, ensuring content is appropriate for public audience. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.